Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly today initiated hearing on disqualification cases against 5 JDU defectors. The next hearing is scheduled after 3 weeks. It may be mentioned that the petition for disqualification was filed against 5 JDU MLAs, namely Thangmaiban MLA KH Joy Kisan Singh, Tipaimuk MLA Ngursanglur Sanate, Jirbam MLA Mohammad Achabuddin, Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, and Churachandpur MLA LM Kaute, who joined BJP after they were elected through JDU tickets. In today's hearing, lead counsel and Bhupendra Maitei, advocate of the petitioner Hareshwar Goswami, submitted for urgent hearing and speedy disposal, as all the pending disqualification petitions are to be decided within 3 months of the filing of the petitions in Speaker's Tribunal, as per a verdict of Supreme Court. He also pleaded for making copies of orders of daily proceedings or hearings of the Speaker Tribunal and to make them available. Meanwhile, the respondents' counsel pressed for 3 to 4 weeks. After hearing both the parties, the Speaker Tribunal gave 3 weeks to the respondents for their replies, and the next proceedings will be held after 3 weeks.